Hi, so this tutorial is going to be on how to install an invisible zipper foot into a knit garment. And this is my jumpsuit or bodysuit that we're working on, and I'm going to put an invisible zip down the front so you can put it down the back. The first step I've done is I've put on fusible interfacing down the back alongside the seam line where the zipper will be installed here. And then I hand basted my invisible zipper down, right? Just like we normally do. All the steps are about the same, except you need to control the stretch, right? This would be really stretchy here. So by putting this interfacing, you see, it doesn't stretch. So that's the main difference. And so after I've hand basted it, I'm gonna go in and just install it like normal, starting right at the zipper closure. Or stopper, I mean. And when if you see it starts to pucker a little, just lift your foot and just don't sew any puckers, because it depends on your foot if it pushes it too far or too tight, I guess. Now, if you're using the home sewing machine, I'm probably going to do another demo in class on the home sewing machine, but I have to see what feet I have and what feet you may have. But if you've been doing it on your home sewing machine, then you probably don't need to see it with my feet. So that's pretty much it. I've sewn to, let me pull it. Here I've left about 1.5 inches below where I had serged up to. Now I'm going to show you how to close it on a separate video, because you want to be able to possibly zigzag up to there instead of the serging, because it'll give a nice finer finish at the end. And that's about it, right? And then we just want to check it before we do any finishing and make sure that there's no ripples. Turn it. Sorry, a little tight.